Within the decorative art world, the joy of creating goes hand in hand with the desire to grow one's business. Renowned artisan Cindy Howard offers an exciting opportunity for professional decorative artists to enhance their sellable skills while having a lot of fun. Her upcoming Sip and Sparkle art class is designed not just for artistic exploration, but also for expanding your portfolio with unique wall art that captivates your clients. Cindy emphasizes the importance of just enjoying the creative process. She states, we want to have fun as we create art. This gathering of artisans is about sparking creativity and fostering collaboration, resulting in beautiful works of art that can elevate your portfolio. In the classroom, expect to see an array of materials that inspire. You'll see a lot of sparkle and shine, Cindy notes. With all supplies provided, including various glitters and mica flakes, you can focus entirely on creating wild and wonderful art pieces.
They'll be leaving with a beautiful 16 by 20 board. It is going to be on a wood panel, and it will be your own product that you've created that you know you can get out there and sell. Now, we're also going to talk about how to sell it, who to sell it to, how to even put it on your computer to mock up into a room, to show a designer or a client what one of these pieces will look like in larger scale.
Participants will learn to craft a striking 16 by 20-inch piece on a wooden panel, an impressive sample to showcase to potential clients. Beyond basic techniques, students will master the art of working with mica, ensuring their creations not only shine, but are also market-ready. Cindy's class goes beyond art because she teaches essential marketing strategies, showing you how to visualize your designs in real settings. I'll show you how to mock up your designs in a room, she explains, making it easy to present these to designers and clients. By the end of class, artisans will leave with both a beautiful piece of art and with the tools to sell it effectively. Seize this opportunity to enhance and expand your artistry with Cindy Howard, where creativity intersects with business for an unforgettable experience. This will be showcased at the IDAL Convention from November 3rd to 7th in St. Charles, Missouri. Join the camaraderie of fellow artists by clicking the links below.